Hello, my little stars. How are you all? I hope you all are happy in your lives, and I hope you all are doing great in your life. Myself, Sneharani, and I am your educator. I know you have this question in your mind that why is this teacher female? And while we all are calling her sir. So, my little star, today I am going to break your misconception that a teacher has no gender. So, I am not stopping anyone from calling me ma'am or sir. Those who are connected to us, be it WhatsApp or a YouTube or our community, that's a teacher has no gender. This is what I want to clear from everyone's mind. So, all of you start broadening your thinking, my little stars. Well, now let's start our today's target. Well, my dear little stars, our today's target is to learn balanced face structure along with eyes, nose, lips, ears. So let's work upon all these one by one. Shall we start? Okay, we'll start from a sequence, and that sequence is first we come to learn how to draw balanced face structure, then ear, then nose, then lips. Okay, so my little stars now have a strong focus on pencil and hand movements. Now, everyone will see very carefully what each thing is and how it is. Now, I will not say anything further because while sketching, all of us should keep one thing in mind that at the time, whoever is sketching, it is very important for him to remain calm. Only then the sketching can be good and the result will also be good. Now, I will directly talk about it to all of you in the end. If still anyone has any doubt, you can comment or you can ask me personally. I will explain that thing to you. Now, without taking much of your time, let's start. Let's work on our work and complete our today's target. So, as you all have seen how I have made what things I have guided you step by step. So, you will complete your today's target in this way, and you will know that the more you practice, the better that thing will be. So, at the end, I would like to say that you must practice. If you have any other doubt, then you can ask me by commenting. Okay, goodbye. Take